do you have to offer to me?
So, okay, my chat knows what this is, but I love watching Cars 3. And Cars 3 is the first movie I did anal to. So we can like watch Cars 3 together or whatever.
What happened in Cars 3? What's this?
What happened in Cars 3? To be honest, I have no idea what happened in the movie. I wasn't paying attention. My ass was being ripped apart.
With her camera. Hog Dragon, thank you for this months. Welcome back. And hi, Water Scooby Doo. How you doing? What's going on? So this is so funny. She double takes because she's like, wait, what's in the window? And it's the perfect time of me smacking my ass.
Share some of that food.
You want some of my food? Oh, it's not the corn. It's you and more.
Put me in a bush, please.
Yeah,
Fuck,
put
man.
me too, put me too. Yeah, I me too if you can.
Please. Lost to a fucking hill. Did all that, boys. We lost to a hill.
Mother Nature, a bitch. If I learn to hack, like if Jay learns to hack, I will legitimately spend time practicing, and actually like play that like practice simulation a lot. Yellow laptops are from Game Masters. The Game Masters. Well, if I'm allowed to have one, I will play.
If you're doing high-level race with Randy and Duddy, you're not gonna win.
Did he just tweet about having anal? What a fucking weirdo! Ew! I'm using the bathroom. Quickly though. She downed him real quickly. Did she flick?
Drop the gun!
Did she flick?
Drop it!
Oh. She did flick. She got a good little flick there. She got a clean little flick. Maybe we invite Claire to do some Valorant at some point. Maybe we ask her if she wants to play some Valorant. Maybe the return to Valorant with Claire. What does NVL mean? NVL? Jay's dive. Yo. What the fuck? Jay is so fucking stupid. He literally went, no. What a fucking dumbass. What a someone's gotta share that clip, dude. Someone's gotta share that. Someone's gonna share that fucking clip. Olivia, Lana.
You ready?
If we don't make it, I want to tell you something.
Okay. What's that?
I always thought Lana was cuter. Okay, go!
Oh my god! Wait, you ready?
I
Ready?
wanna...
3,
2, 1, go!
Shit. Do you want to say a prayer before we go?
Our Father who art in heaven, I'll be the go!
Yeah! Ah, shit! Yeah! Refuse. Hey, Lana, so like, you trying to watch Cars 3 later, maybe?
Sure.
Wait, really?
You know what Lana spelled backwards is, right?
Oh my god, I gotta go! I gotta go! No, get away from me!
How's it going?
It's going miserable.